Today's math lesson, lesson 26, is on solving problems that involve dividing a unit fraction by a whole number. Dividing a unit fraction by a whole number. Number 4 is a word problem. It says, Solomon has read 1/3 of his book. He finishes the book by reading the same amount each night for 5 nights. What fraction of the book does he read each of the 5 nights? So if he's read 1/3 of the book and he's divided that up equally amongst 5 nights, that would be 1/3 divided by 5. A unit fraction divided by a whole number. Now, for this word problem in the directions, it does not state that you need a tape diagram, but I'll do one anyway. So the whole piece of tape is 1 whole. The number that's getting divided is 1/3.